I only got 2 minutes to describe the paradise that I like to analyze. Could disguise like the truth and the lies. I am cutting the ties, letting wise, just to emphasize. So I'm singing for the cemetery of sentiments is necessary. The evidence is every element is secondary. Everything is temporary, anyone is fragmentary. Holding all the particles that we have to carry. Spinning in this living while I sit reminiscing. And I flabbergast of people that are humming in the past. Time is running fast, nothing is lasting forever. But I don't see a sense if I think the sense or whatever. Just continue to climb up the ladder. Just do what you did on your monotone throne that is so unstable because of the pressure. Maybe I have to keep on going, giving you epiphanies while picking all the patterns apart. Can't you follow, man, the sorrow of the universe controlling all the man, cause they haven't got a heart from the start. This is the part where we are struggling, the spirit and the body connected, malfunctioning, stumbling over the globe with the hope that the misanthrope is going to slip on the rope of his atmosphere. Agonizing innocence, the ignorance is living in the lack of simulation of our citizens. The fear is intended, the nature offended, humanity surrendered, it ended the question of passion, smashing it away. I wanted to stay, wanna be face to face, so listen, I put it in its place by affecting all the man with my venom and the stamina. I'm setting a new level that is seven like you're having it. It happens in a second, and I reckon that you're lacking the whole package, so you're constantly defending yourself by just being savage. But you only just ghost in your passage and causing a lot more damage. Vanish and come back with a new challenge. Vanish what was and just take what's coming, and you will see that the love will be flooding from nothing. It's stunning, running to the sun, winters to come and spring, summers to fall, and I sing until I'm gone and done. Depicting enigmas while building the sigmas. It's written in the scheme of my nature for ages. A flag of misfilling on my pages. So hold me back if I go too deep in the woods and just enjoy everything that I'm living and loving and making, creating, revealing the secrets of the planet and the manacles about as though we fought. And every time I make enough for killing melancholy thoughts. Just thoughts, huh? Can you feel the enemy that's coming in? So what about apologizing cause he hasn't seen me with the ocean of the wisdom. Now he's panicking like Anakin, the man making minimum, the challenge of the mannequin. And every time I look up in the sky, I see myself so savage. Every time I look up in the sky,
I see myself so savage.